An echoelomate is an animal which lack a colon, or formal body cavity. True body cavities form only in multicellular organisms with true tissues. Within this group, the eumetozo, there are other organisms like coral and jellyfish, which have only two basic tissues. The triploblastic eumetozo have 3 tissue types. An echoelomate is the simplest form of animals, which have 3 true tissues. These tissues are the endoderm, mesoderm, and ectoderm, in that order from inside to out. In an echoelomate, these tissues touch back to back, without any space in between. The organs form within it, and are surrounded by the mesoderm. The ectoderm is the skin, while endoderm forms the digestive tract. The phylum Platyhelminths, otherwise known as the flatworms, is a large and diverse phylum, containing many an echoelomate flatworm. Flatworms are parasitic or free-living, unsegmented worms. They have an incomplete gut, with one opening through which food is both ingested and excreted. However, they have a high degree of cephalization, meaning they have a centralized nervous system toward their head. These echoelomate creatures also take on a number of parasitic forms, such as flukes and tapeworms. Both of these parasitic forms live within the gut of their host, feeding on whatever the host feeds on, regardless of whether the echoelomate is free, living or parasitic. It exchanges gas the same way. Flatworms are typically so thin that gas exchange can be accomplished across the skin without the need for lungs, gills, or other complex organs. Also known as ribbon worms, the majority of ribbon worms are marine organisms characterized by a long, thin body. Some species like Lineus longissimus can grow to be 30 meters long. Like members of the phylum Platyhelminths, these worms are bilaterally symmetrical, dorso-ventrally flattened animals. While ribbon worms have some type of body cavity, the interior of the body wall, between the body wall and gut, is coated with a mesenchyme parenchyma, which consists of a gel matrix and dorso-ventrally oriented musculature. The thickness of the mesenchyme varies between different species, average 15 mm. In addition to protecting the internal body organs, the mesenchyme is also involved in the maintenance and development of the gonads. Like some other phyla not mentioned here, the gastrotricha are supposedly echoelomate. However, this may simply be because the gastrotricha are hard to study. These tiny animals, most are only 1 millimeter, are commonly thought to be related to other, non-echoelomate groups. For this reason, some scientists don't always classify them as echoelomates. However, any body cavity they have is filled with mesenchyme cells and muscle, effectively making them echoelomates. The gastrotricha symbolize a number of problems scientists have with identifying and classifying organisms. First off, the gastrotricha are microscopic. The largest is only 3 millimeters in length.